And so this is the grid floor I'm working on, making it longer. So I've cut these stainless steel rods that are 10 millimeters longer than these rods. So to cut all these stainless steel rods to the same length quickly, I made a wooden guide here. I used my table saw here to cut a groove for the 1/8 inch rods to slide into. And I put a nail there at the stop after some careful measuring. And then all I needed to do was take this and clamp it into my chop saw to where the blade was flush with the end of the wood, and I could hold the rod here and chop it off, and then radius the edge with the same rotating abrasive wheel. And that's how I quickly get all these 26 stainless steel rods all cut to the same length. And so the next thing I'll do is make some acrylic plates just like these, and I'll make some jigs for that as well to guide these the drill as I drill each of those holes.